Guys, I hope you all are doing well. So, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, today's topic to discuss, as you can see here, is insertion sort, which is one of the sorting algorithm. Okay, so we will see the actually program of insertion sort. So, let's start the video. So, as you can see, we have the array which name is A, and we have the one unsorted array which has the values like 5, 4, 3 and 2 and 1. Okay, now we want to uh, sort this array. So what will be the approach to solve this? So first of all we will uh, start from the second position, which is 1. We always our array index is starting from 0 in C programming. So we will start from a of 1 to a of n minus 1. Okay, and in that we will always compare the key element. We will told the second element as a key. We will take second element as a key, and we will compare that value with the left of that number, or digit or element, you can say. If if, if we found that the left element is we can say left is greater than that key, so we will simply replace or swap the values. Okay, so this is the approach of insertion sort. So let me erase this all down. And suppose we have this array 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So what will happen? First of all, we will compare. This is the key value, as we have decided that a of 1 will be told, will be said as what? Key value. And that key value will be compared with index left index values. Yeah, so as we can see here, 4 is less than 5. Okay, so 4 should be here. Why it should be here? Because we want to we what we want to sort the array. So 4 should be here and 5 should be here. So what will happen in next step? 4 would be here, 5 would be here, 3 would be here, 2 would be here. So this is the sorted part of the array. This is still unsorted part. Now what we will do? We will simply move ahead. Now the key value will be 3. 3 will be key value, and we will compare with the left compare this key value with left part of the array, which is already sorted. So what we will do is we'll compare 3 with 5 also and 4 also. So 3 is less than 5, as we know that, and 4 sorry 3 is also less than 5. Okay, 3 is less than 5 also, and 3 is less than 4 also. 3 is less than 5 also, and 3 is less than 4 also. So what we will do is we will simply put the 3 at the front of 3. Okay, let me erase this down. So finally what we get, we will get 3, we have the value that 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1 like this. Now what had happened, 3 would come at, okay, we have the 4, 5, 3, 2, 1 like this. So 3 would come here. So what would happen, 3, 4, 5 and 2, 1. So this part is sorted and this is unsorted, still unsorted. Okay, so let me erase this all down. Now we'll see now what we have. We have 3, we have 4, we have 5 and we have 2 and at last we have 1. Now what we will do, we will move ahead. Now the index 3 will, means a of 3 will said as assumed as assumed as key value. Okay, this will called key, and this key value will compared with this part, this left part. Okay, with left part, the 2 will compared with each and every element. Okay, and if we found that the 2 is uh, less than all the values which are in the left of 2, so we will uh, put the key value at the beginning of all the numbers or array. Okay, so first index will be 2. So as we can see that 2 is less than 3 also, less than 4 also, and less than 5 also. Got it? Let me erase this. So what will happen? What we have the 3 2, what we have the now updated array 2 3 4 5 and 1, and at last we can see that 1 will go at the beginning, because as we can see that 1 is less than all the values which are left of the 1, which are at left of the 1, that they all are greater than 1. So we will simply put the 1 here. So 1 2 3 4 5, we will get the final answer as this. Okay, yeah, so let me erase this all down. So algorithm is discussed. Now the remaining thing is very easy, which is program. So let's see the execution, how we will execute this insertion sort program. So first of all we will uh, declare the variable iterative variable. In for loop we usually using that iterative, which is I or j type of things. Okay, so that variable is declared here over here. Okay, so I, j and key value is nothing but the second value, which means 4. Second value means 4 is here. Key value means next value to the first element of the array. Now we have declared the array and its value 5 4 3 2 1, which is unsorted, which is un unsorted, which is unsorted. Okay, unsorted. Okay, so let me erase this all down. Now we will start with here. We will start with the index value 1, because first value, we will skip the first value. We will assume that the first value is already sorted, and we will start from the next position of the first element. Okay, so which is 1, and less than 5 till less than 5 we will go, means index value 1, index value 2, index value 3, and index value 4. Okay, simple. And I plus plus. And now we will declare as we have discussed, key value is a of I. A of I means the current element. Okay, yeah. So and j equal to I minus 1. J is the index of the left part, for the traversing the left part of array, which is j equal to I minus, for which the j is stand. Okay, now we will the while loop is iterative. In while loop, if j is greater than equal to 0, so as we know that the index is always start from 0 and so on until goes to infinite, we can see that. Okay, for n we can say that. So it is never goes in minus side, minus part. Yeah, and condition is what? A of j is a of j is greater than key. If this condition to the both condition will fulfill, we will iterate, we will continue this loop. Okay, so what is a of j? Basically a of j is what? 5, which is greater than key. Key is what? 4. Yes, it is. Then we will iterate this loop. Okay, so what is the condition? What we will do? Simply, if 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, this is if 5 is greater than 4, what we will do to make it sorted? We will uh, swap the values and move ahead these all values and make space for this 4, because it must be on front of what? 5. So we will make space for that. So for that we have to move ahead these values, which is 5 and 3 2 1 and so on. Okay, yeah. So first of all, what will happen here? First of all, 5 will copy. Let me write down here: 5 4 3 2 1. The first step will what? The 4. Okay, let me use eraser. 4 will be replaced with what? 5. Yeah, and the 4 will come here. 4 will come here, and 4 will replaced with 5. 5 replaced with by 4. So it will looks like this: 4, 5, 3, 2, and 1. Simple. And we will check for another remaining left part of the array. We will decrement the value jth index, and if the condition is not satisfied, we will tell that the current value is key. We will assign the key value to the current element. Okay, current index of G plus. And finally we will print the all the values of the sorted array. So let me run this program. So this is the program, same, this is the same program which we have seen, we have discussed in OneNote. Yeah, so let me run this code. Yeah, so you can see here we get the same, we get the sorted array as the output 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so hey, I hoped you liked this video. If you like this video, then hit this like button and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So hey guys, let's like the video and subscribe my YouTube channel.